Hello, beautiful. We are doing a dusty rose eyeshadow makeup look. Let's start with the Colorbar primer. I am going to apply with my finger and blend it all over. So first I'm going to do a dot over the face, and then I'll slowly apply and mix it well with my moisturizer which I had applied earlier. And I always wait for the primer to soak in so that it's look nice. I'm going to carve my eyebrows with and give a clear shape, and I always take time to do this because when you do it slowly you have more precise eyebrow detail. Now I'm going to take the eyebrow pencil from Canada face of Canada, and I'm going to give my shape and make it clear, give a good detail and enhance the eyebrows a little bit darker than usual. And after that I am going to use eyebrow gel from Benefit, and this is my super favorite eyebrow gel and I am always in love with this. And I'm just going to fill in, give a little bit more structures to my eyebrows, and that's it. That's done for the eyebrows. Now I'm going for a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. The first shade I am taking and going to blend over the crease, and this is a fluffy brush I am using with, and yeah, it's very nice. It give a good detail. You can go with one single shade if you're going for like a daytime or anything like that, but I wanted to create a special look for this, so I am going to take a little bit darker brown, the most darker one, the brown shade, and going to put in the socket of the eye area, not out, just in that area. And I am going to pack that, not blend them. I'm just going to layer that product over the area so that you can see nice in a brown shade from that side. I'm taking an angle brush and using that chocolatey dark shade and making this eyeliner wink. I'm making an eyeshadow wink from this. It's like a very interesting, I never thought about that, but yeah, this is really easy to use with this kind of brushes. Like angle brush always help to give you a good detail. Time for a color corrector from Stila, orange shade on the flat brush, and I am just going to apply under my eyelid, and I am going to layer them, and slowly this orange color over the both the side under the eye thing. It really helped me to cover all the dark circles, and yes, I wanted to go for a full coverage, so it's always good. And I'm going to blend with the brush itself. And now it's a time for a concealer, and I am going to apply the concealer under my eye and the darker area where it's required to cover. And I'm going to blend this with my favorite blender. This is my super favorite Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I guess the shade name is golden beige, and yes, it looks so amazing. I'm going to use this foundation brush and apply over the area and cover the full face with this, and I'll try to cover like as much area over the forehead and my neck. I'm going again with the favorite concealer. It's Rewind concealer from Maybelline, which I am using it like for most of the things on my face. It's really a full coverage, and just applying on the areas where it required, using a beauty blender to blend them out. And yeah, very simple and quick. I'm taking Miss Clara powder and a little bit of a yellow shade and going to bake my under eyes with this. And yeah, I am just going to place it under my eyes and leave it for a few minutes, and then I will remove it once my rest of the things are done. So for the contour, I'm taking this product from Kai Beauty, and it's very easy to apply. So first I will contour my cheeks, forehead and my nose, and I am going to blend this out with my favorite angle brush, which helped me to go all the area. And I always take time to blend this because sometimes it's too much visible and you never realize this. Like I always blend my contour well. Taking a fluffy brush and removing my the baked powder which I applied earlier. I am removing that, and you can see how nice. Now I am going to take this LA Girl bronzer with the gold. I am going to do a bronzy little bit over the cheek, and I am taking this flat brush and mixing it all over, and so that nothing looks off the face. I am taking this Maybelline mascara. It's my favorite go-to mascara. It comes in a very reasonable cost. I'm applying over my lashes, and I'm taking a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying in my inner corner to just get a little bit spark. I'm taking this little bit brown undertone of the shade. It looks so amazing. I'm taking this brush from Makeup Revolution, and it's amazing rose shade, and yeah, it's a very pink. And I'm taking this blush brush, and it looks so amazing. Like, I just love the way it is. And the highlighter is from Makeup Revolution, and it's my favorite one. You can see how beautiful the highlighter looks. Just applying over the cheeks, nose, over the lip, giving that shiny look thing. And I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner Matte in shade name Tea and Cookie, just applying all over the outer area of my lip and going to fill in a little bit. And I'm now using a lipstick. It's a little bit semi matte lipstick from NYX, and the shade name is Lipil. It's an amazing shade and my favorite lip combo which I always use. I'm going to use ELF Matte and Magic Mist and Set to finish up my makeup, and just spray all over the area. I do it a little bit extra, and once it's dry, here's my final look. Hope you guys really like the makeup look, and thank you guys for watching. Love you all, and do comment and let me know which was your favorite part of my makeup. Thank you. Bye.